we marked the exhaust just before we took it off, sorry, the tailpipe, just so that we know it went back exactly where the customer previously had it. So we put a little mark, just see the pen line there, little mark, so we know exactly where to put it back, so it sits perfect like it did when the customer brought the car in. Normally we'd be doing these on the ramp, but we're waiting for a new ramp to arrive, so it's back to old school on the floor, which we're quite lucky, because with exhausts like this, only having to be able to take the tailpipe off makes the job a lot easier. Twist it around slightly. Spot on. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. Get that clamp back on. Let's see, nice and flush. Magic, ain't going nowhere. Right, switch sides, get the tailpipe put back on the other side. Sorry, ugly face. Right. If you get how much of a workout it is doing it on the floor. At least I might end up with a bit of a six-pack by the time I've finished. That's wishful thinking though. Right. Right, again with this one, you can pretty much see where the tailpipe was before from the mark on the existing. So yeah, we've got the little rust mark there, so we know how to go that far back, so that it's back where it was when the customer brought the car in. We'll go back to there. You also see the little, where the little cutout is on the tailpipe there. You can see that on the exhaust, so we'll stick that exactly in line. That's it, spot on. Mark the top of the tailpipe, that's spot on in the middle as well. So, oh, you know what I've done. I bet you've probably already noticed that, haven't you? Too busy talking, and I've left the clamp on the floor, look. Idiot. Right, let's do that so it's the same way the other side. You can tell I'm a novice at this whole recording, can't you? As they say, I can't multitask. I'm trying though, I'm trying. I'll do something for a little bit. Move that so we can see our mark again. thought I had my big head in the way. That's it, beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. Like I say, we wouldn't normally be doing this on the floor. It's only while we wait for the new ramps to arrive, and then we'll be back up in the air doing them. We've just been lucky this last few weeks that we've had all cars in where it's all sort of come off nice and easy, and we've been alright without the ramp. That's it, that's tight. Let's just do this plug up, get it in the right angle. So I mean, again, it's so easy to get to like this. Tighten it up with a 16mm spanner. Where it's on the threaded washer, it's so much easier to do and manoeuvre. That's it. Job's a good one. One plug. Two plug.